Welcome back, friends. I hope you're doing well. I'm going to show you how I make my moisturizing, glowing body oil. I used papaya and carrots, and I infused this in some olive oil to make a very moisturizing oil. And it's filled with natural levels of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants that are amazing for your skin. So I'm going to show you step by step how I do this. So let's jump right in. And if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos. And I also sell my products on my website. I'll have that linked in the description box if you want to check that out. So let's jump right in. As always, I'm going to have everything I used listed in the description box. I'm getting started with my papaya. This has been thoroughly washed. I've also washed my carrots as well. There's no set measurement for your infusion. You can use as much as you like for your carrots, for your papaya, but a little goes a very long way. So I'm just going to cut this up, peel up the skin, take out the seeds, and then I'm going to cut this into small pieces. So with any infusion that I do with fresh fruit or vegetables, I usually dry them first before I do my infusion. So I'm just going to cut everything up, and then I'm going to also peel up my carrots and grate that as well. And then we'll move on to the next step. So now that I have everything ready, I'm going to dry this up using my air fryer. I'm going to use the dehydrating setting on there. So when infusing your fruits, your vegetables, you want to make sure that they are completely dry. This reduces the chance of your infused oil getting contaminated. You want to make sure that there's no water left in your fruit or vegetables. So that's what I'm going to do. It does take a while to do. It took me about, I think, 5 to 6 hours to completely dry up everything. Of course, you can also spread this out on a tray and give it a few days to completely dry up before you use it. So that's what I'm going to do now, and once it's ready, we're going to go on to the next step. So now that my papaya and carrots are completely dried up, I'm going to start infusing. There are several ways you can infuse, but I like to use my crock pot for my infusions. There's a cold infusion you can do. You can put all your herbs and vegetables in a jar, put your oil over it and let it infuse over the course of several weeks. Or you can do it on a stovetop as well, but I like to use my crock pot. So all I'm doing is putting everything inside my crock pot, and then I'm going to use some olive oil to do the infusion. You can use any other lightweight oil. You can use sunflower oil. You can also use coconut oil, any oil that works for you. So when you put your oil over your vegetables, your fruit, you want to make sure that it is completely covered with your oil. Stir everything up, mix it well. You want to make sure that every bit of vegetable or fruit is completely covered with the oil. I'm going to infuse on the warm setting of my crock pot. You never want to boil your vegetables, your fruits. You want to do this on really low heat so that the oil can absorb all the nutrients and benefits from your vegetables, from your fruits. So this is after about 2 hours of infusing. I infused for about 4 hours, turned it off, and then I just left it alone for a couple of days before I made my glow oil. So this was after about 7 days. It was still in the crock pot. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to strain my mixture so that I can get the oil. So I'm going to get my strainer, and I'm also going to use a cheesecloth, and then I'm going to strain out my mixture. So now that I've strained out the oil, I'm going to start weighing out the rest of my oils so that I can make this glowing body oil. So I'm going to grab my scale, and I'm going to weigh out the olive infused oil. So of course, olive oil has anti-inflammatory benefits that help to also lock in moisture on your skin. It's a very moisturizing oil, rich in vitamins. So to this, I'm going to add in some sweet almond oil. So for the sweet almond oil, you can always substitute this out if you have nut allergies. This is rich in vitamin E, and it also helps to improve your complexion and skin tone. So of course, make substitutes. You can use sunflower oil, apricot oil, grapeseed oil. So to this, I'm also going to add some fractionated coconut oil. This is different from the regular coconut oil. It's not as heavy, it's not as greasy, and it absorbs quickly into your skin, helps to soften up your skin. So I'm also using some jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is simply amazing. It's packed with antioxidants, it's non-clogging on your skin, and it also helps to minimize the appearance of scars. I'm also using a blend of lavender and geranium essential oils. This is completely optional. Both of these oils have anti-inflammatory benefits and help to improve your skin tone as well. And then I'm adding in my vitamin E oil that's also going to help to nourish your skin and help extend the shelf life of your body oil. So I'm just going to mix everything up for about a minute, get everything blended. So the glow body oil is ready. This is a very rich body oil. Papaya is rich in vitamins A, B, and C, and carrots are rich in beta carotene that help to repair the skin and also improve the appearance of your skin and blemishes. So this made 5 ounces of product. I'm going to show you how it applies on the skin. It applies quickly. It feels so good on your skin. So I would say, package this up in a dark bottle to help extend the shelf life as well. Keep it out of direct sunlight. I use the clear glass bottles just to show how the oil looks. But I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to make substitutions like I said. Leave comments if you have questions. I'll do my best to answer your questions. As always, please don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Like this video as well, and please turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos that I upload, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.